Okay, so my game engine is complete. It is something about 12,314 lines of code built over a time period of 3 months. There are a lot of missing features. For now, it is only supporting 2D. It is supporting 3D, but I will have to work a lot more into 3D. For now, I will be building some games using this engine and will try to ship them. Good thing that I actually used WGPU. Now my game engine is kind of future secure when it comes to rendering part at least. I am working with the ECS paradigm. I do have an understanding that I kind of made something really similar to Bevy, but yeah, I mean, for learning at least it was really nice. Plus, it's not exactly same as Bevy. Some of the patterns are really similar though, but yeah. Next up, I think I should actually just focus on building some games now. It's been a long time since I have been coding and coding and coding. It's time to build some games, do some artwork, combine them together and ship something. I mean, how many people would be really interested in seeing a game engine itself? They must be more interested in the game, the art, the animations, the particle effects, the visuals. For now, my game engine is, I think, good enough for handling 2D stuff. But yeah, I can always keep on adding things as the time says. For now, it's good enough.